Hi friends, welcome to Ramchandra Chess Academy. In today's lesson, we are going to discuss about middle game ideas for beginners. This actually involves many concepts. So let's discuss one by one. Today, we are going to start with discovered check or discovered attack. So in the first example, you can see in the given position, white queen and black king are in the same file, that is E file. There are no other pieces in between except for a knight on E5. So since the knight on E5 is our piece, we can move it to any square of our choice and create a double attack on the enemy camp. See, we have the opportunity to move the knight to any of these 8 squares, but we have to choose the square which is advantage or profitable for us. So for example, if we move the knight to just like any other square G4, we can deliver a check, but it is of no use. He will simply defend it with queen D7, queen E7. So we're going nowhere. Instead, if we move the knight to C6, we are giving a check through a queen, and also the knight is attacking the black's queen. So this is called a discovered. Here black is forced to move away the king, and we can simply capture the queen with our knight. Instead, if he tries to defend the check with his queen, we can actually capture him with our queen and it is checkmate. He cannot capture us since our knight is protecting the queen. So this is the basic idea of discovered check or discovered attack. We are just moving away the knight to a square that is favorable for us and creating a double attack on the enemy army. See, here is another example where you can see the black king and our bishop on b3 are on the same diagonal. We have our rook on e6, which is actually blocking the check. So here again we have the advantage of moving away the rook to any square of our choice and creating a double attack. So we are giving a check to the king. Also we can create another attack, or we can also capture a piece. Here we have the opportunity to capture the black's bishop on e7. He cannot capture us because the king is under check. So once he moves away the king, we can bring back our rook to safe square. So this is one idea. We can capture a piece, or we can also do another thing. We can capture the d6 pawn and create a threat on the black queen. Since the queen is a bigger piece, instead of capturing the bishop, we attack the queen and king simultaneously. Again he moves away the king and we will simply capture the queen. So this is another example of a discovered check or discovered attack, where we attack the king and queen simultaneously and capture the queen when he moves away the king. Here you can see once again the bishop and black king are the same diagonal, so we are taking advantage of it and moving the rook to favorable square such as d6, then posing a threat to the queen and king simultaneously. Since he cannot capture the rook, though it is not protected, he cannot capture it because he has to respond to the check first. So when he saves the king, we capture the queen. This is the concept of discovered check. Let us see another example. Here, unlike the previous example, we do not have the king in the same file or diagonal as of our bishop or rook, but here we have black's queen on e7 and our rook on e1, and we have only our bishop on e4, which is obstructing the rook from capturing the queen. So again we have the option of moving away the bishop to e and attack the queen with our rook. Okay, let's see which is the best square to retreat the bishop. We can actually sacrifice the bishop here. We can consider sacrificing the bishop because we are getting the queen in return. So we are moving the bishop to h7 and giving a check to the black king. When he captures the bishop, we will simply capture his queen. Because king is under check, he has to respond to it. He cannot try to protect the queen first. Okay. Alternatively, if he, instead of capturing the bishop, if he moves away with his king, still we can capture the queen. So because our target is the queen, either he captures it or he moves back, we can simply capture the rook. When he captures back the rook, still it is okay because we are winning the exchange here. We know the queen is bigger than the rook. Rook has only 5 points and queen has 9 points. So this is the concept of discovered attack. Again, once again you can see. Let's consider another example. where actually we cannot deliver a check here, but still we can create a discovered attack. See, we have the knight which can move to c6 square and attack the black rook on d8, and simultaneously we are attacking the queen with our rook as well as knight. Here the knight is not protected, but still he cannot capture it because we will capture the queen. So he cannot capture the knight, he has to retreat the queen first. So he will move the queen to a safe square, then we will simply capture the rook with our knight. Because the rook is bigger than knight, we don't mind losing the knight for a rook because we are winning the exchange. So this is the basic idea of discovered check and discovered attack. So once again you can see the rook on e1 is attacking the queen on e7. We have the knight in between, we are simply moving it away. He cannot capture the knight because we are attacking the queen. So first he has to respond to the threat against his queen. When he moves back his queen, we will capture the rook and winning the exchange. So we can use the discovered check or discovered attack in multiple ways according to our choice. So here I am giving you a puzzle for the next week. This includes the concept of discovered check. See, you just tell me the best continuation for white. Here you can see the black king and white bishop on the same diagonal. So here we can just move away the rook to any square and attack the king with a discovered check. So you tell me the best continuation for white here. So please give your answers in the comment section below. Next week I will show you the solution. That's it guys for today. Thank you for subscribing to Ramchandra Chess Academy. Keep watching our videos for improving your game. Next week we will come with another interesting topic and solution to this puzzle. Thank you guys.